Well, we got a little front coming through, so things will cool down for our Travel Tuesday. At least the temperatures are kind of traveling in the right direction for this time of year. But overall, a warming trend and a bit of a damp weather pattern. Two rainmakers to discuss. So let's get to it. Over to the big board for a beautiful night at the quarry. We've got the red and green smokestacks for Christmas. Temperature under cloudy skies, 61. Clouds really haven't budged much today. There was some decent sun at times, but clouds ruled. East-northeast breeze is light. 37-degree dew point is nice and dry. So all in all, a pretty nice night. We're not going to see too much clearing. Clouds are going to be a big part of our week. 71 today at Seguin and New Braunfels. We stopped at 69. 72s down I-35 were the warmest. Mid-60s across the hill country. Tomorrow morning will be cool. I wouldn't say cold, in the lower 50s. Some 40s out there across the hill country. Tomorrow afternoon, however, noticeably cooler. While we almost tagged 70 today, we're going to stop in the lower 60s tomorrow, with the hill country staying in the 50s as some cooler air ushers in, but it's temporary. We're going to warm right back up when we get to Wednesday, Thursday, hitting highs closer to 70 and above. So the front, weak and coming through moisture starved. The moisture and rain chance coming off this low that's down to our south. This is going to be slowly inching its way to the north over the next 24 to 36 hours. And kind of taking more of a right turn towards Houston. And unfortunately, that means most of the rain is going to materialize to our east. So we're going to be socked in with the cloud cover early, but only a couple of sprinkles down to the south. That's Tuesday morning. Then as we go through the day, notice not much rain develops. Here's Tuesday almost this time, tomorrow night. And notice again, only a couple of isolated sprinkles. So the best chance of getting any measurable rain is really Wednesday morning. So overnight Tuesday into Wednesday morning, it'll only be light to moderate. No thunderstorms expected, but it could put a little hamper on the Wednesday morning commute, and that would really be it. That's why, again, best totals are going to be East Texas and Louisiana with this system, but there's an upper level low that's going to be out to our west beginning on Thursday. That'll enhance rain chances as we get into Friday and the weekend. So from San Fernando, the 14-day forecast. By the way, we put the lights up. You know, once the city lights their lights, we put the lights up on the 14-day forecast. Tomorrow's high again, 62 or 63. Warmer on Wednesday, Thursday, as rain chances get a little bit better. But still, the best chance all week is only 40%. So we stay with a much better chance of you staying dry most of this week. 30 to 40% maybe into Saturday. Then the sun is coming out for Sunday the 8th. Notice an isolated shower could find us on Wednesday the 11th, but once we get past Saturday, we're heading right back into a pretty dry weather pattern.